Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 chemistry MCQs part 4. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Starch is consisting of option A, unbranched amylase and branched amylopectin. Option B, branched amylase and branched amylopectin. Option C, unbranched amylase and unbranched amylopectin. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, unbranched amylase and branched amylopectin. Explanation is starch is a mixture of two polysaccharides, amylose, which is linear polymer of glucose, unbranched, and amylopectin, which is branched polymers. Carbohydrates are option A, polyhydroxyaldehyde and phenol. B, option B, polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketone. C, polyhydroxy ketones and phenol. And option D, polyhydroxy phenol and alcohol. So the correct option is B, polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketones. Explanation is they contain multiple hydroxyl group, OH group, and carbonyl group, that is either an aldehyde or ketone. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is called table sugar? Option A, glucose. B, sucrose. C, lactose. And option D, fructose. So the correct option is B, sucrose. Sucrose is the common name of sugar which is used in households for sweetening. It is disaccharide of glucose and fructose. With respect to galactose, glucose is dash. Option A, a stereoisomer. B, a structure isomer. C, not an isomer. So the correct option is A, a stereoisomer. Glucose and galactose have the same chemical formula C6H12O6 but differ in the arrangement of atoms, specifically at the fourth carbon atom. They are apimers, a type of stereoisomer. Glucose is a dash. Option A, protein. B, disaccharide. C, nucleic acid. And option D, monosaccharide. So the correct option is D, monosaccharide. Glucose is a simplest form of carbohydrate and cannot be hydrolyzed into smaller unit. It is basic building block for more complex carbohydrates. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Animals store glucose in the form of option A, amylase. B, glycogen. C, glycerol. And option D, guanine. So the correct option is B, glycogen. As mentioned previously, glycogen is the storage form of glucose in animal, primarily in the liver and muscles. So this is very important MCQs. In the formation of macromolecule, what type of reaction would join two subunits together? Option A, hydrophobic reaction, option B, hydrolysis reaction, C, dehydration reaction, and option D, denaturation reaction. So the correct option is C, dehydration reaction. A dehydration reaction or condensation reaction is a process where a molecule of water is removed to form a new bond between two smaller molecules, linking them together to form a larger polymer. Which of the following is not a disaccharide? Option A, sucrose, B, maltose, C, lactose, and option D, amylase. So the correct option is D, amylase. Sucrose, maltose, and lactose are disaccharide units composed of two monosaccharide units. Amylase is basically enzyme that breaks down starch, not a sugar molecule. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The general term for a large molecule made up of many similar subunits is option A, polymer, B, functional group, C, peptide, and option D, helix. So the correct option is A, polymer. Explanation is a polymer is a large molecule composed of a repeating structure unit or monomer joined by covalent bonds. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। This is last MCQs. Which of the following is an aldotriose? Option A, dihydroxyacetone, option B, glyceraldehyde, option C, ribulose, and option D, erythrose. So the correct option is B, glyceraldehyde. Explanation is an aldotriose is a 3-carbon sugar with an aldehyde functional group. Dihydroxyacetone is a ketotriose and the other have more carbons. Thank you for watching my videos.